Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Hey, thanks a lot for coming to the corner today. I'm going to do about a $10 upgrade to the corner, and that's where I get rid of this old Harbor Freight stool that I've had for years. It cost about $29, I think, at the time, and I'm going to replace it with the studio stool from Burlington Coat Factory. It was about $39, and it goes up a little higher. And be sure to watch my video how to fix the wheel bearings or the caster bearings on a stool from Harbor Freight. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you, Pappy.